Hello everyone, and welcome to this Looker Studio tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will take you step by step through the process of using Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, to create interactive dashboards and meaningful reports that bring your data to life. Whether you're a business analyst, marketer, or data enthusiast, this tutorial will equip you with the essential skills to visualize your data effectively. We'll start by connecting data sources such as Google Sheets, BigQuery, and other databases. From there, we'll explore how to design dynamic charts and graphs to uncover trends and key metrics. You'll also learn how to customize dashboards with filters, themes, and calculated fields, making reports both visually appealing and insightful. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to lookerstudio.google.com. This is the main page of Looker Studio, where you can access a variety of templates to kickstart your report creation. On this page, you'll find a selection of pre-built templates designed for different use cases, such as blank reports, tutorial reports, Acme marketing reports, Search Console reports, Google Ads overviews, YouTube channel reports, and more. These templates provide a great starting point by automatically configuring data connections and visualizations for common reporting needs. If you prefer complete control over your report, you can start with a blank report and customize it from scratch. Whether you choose a template or begin with a blank report, Looker Studio gives you the flexibility to create insightful and interactive dashboards tailored to your specific data requirements. To create a new report, click on the Create button. This will open the report interface where you can start building your dashboard. Before adding data, you'll need to complete the account setup. Looker Studio will prompt you to choose your country and enter your company name if required. Additionally, you can customize your email preferences by selecting the types of updates you'd like to receive from Looker Studio. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Continue to finalize the setup. Now, you're ready to start adding data and designing your report. Now, you are in your untitled report, ready to start building your dashboard. The first step is to add a data source, which is where your report pulls its information from. To do this, click on Add Data at the top of the interface. Looker Studio offers several built-in connectors that allow you to connect directly to platforms like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, BigQuery, and more. These built-in connectors make it easy to integrate your data without additional setup. If you need data from external platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or other third-party services, you'll need to use third-party connectors like Supermetrics or other data integration tools. These connectors enable you to bring in data from non-Google sources and create a unified reporting dashboard. Once you've selected your data source, you can proceed to configure it and start building visualizations based on your connected data. For this tutorial, we will use Google Analytics as our data source. To do this, select Google Analytics from the list of available connectors and authorize your account. This step ensures that Looker Studio can securely access your analytics data. After authorization, choose the Google Analytics property you want to use for your report. This could be a website or an app you are tracking. Once you've selected the correct property, click Add to bring the data into your report. As soon as you add the data, a table will automatically appear in your report. This table contains default data from your selected source, typically including metrics like sessions, users, and page views. From here, you can customize the table or add other visualizations to make your report more insightful. Now, let's explore how to modify and customize the report. Looker Studio provides various chart types and visualizations to help present data effectively. Clicking on Insert at the top allows access to different chart options, including time series charts, bar charts, pie charts, column charts, scatter plots, geomaps, and pivot tables. Each chart type serves a unique purpose, whether it's tracking trends, comparing categories, or visualizing geographic data. Selecting the right visualization enhances the clarity and impact of the report, making insights easier to understand. Customization options allow adjustments to data sources, metrics, dimensions, and styling to match the report's requirements. Once a chart is selected, customization options appear in the panel on the right. This panel is divided into two sections. The first section controls the visualization settings, allowing modifications to the chart style, colors, labels, and overall appearance. The second section focuses on data configuration, where dimensions and metrics can be adjusted. Changing an existing metric or adding new ones is as simple as clicking Add Metric and selecting the relevant data points. These customization options help refine the chart to better represent insights and align with the report's objectives. For example, if you want to see how users find your website, you can change the dimension to Session Default Channel Grouping. This will categorize the traffic sources, such as organic search, paid search, direct traffic, and referrals. You can also add additional metrics like average purchase revenue to track revenue generated per user. If you want to further refine your report, you can filter data by using the Filter option. This allows you to include or exclude specific values, making your report more relevant to your analysis. You can also blend data from multiple sources by clicking Blend Data. This is useful when you want to combine data from Google Analytics and Google Ads into a single report. Looker Studio also allows you to format your report for better presentation. You can change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and alignments to make your report visually appealing. You can also add interactive elements like date filters, drop-down selectors, and clickable buttons. To make your report more dynamic, you can add calculated fields. These fields allow you to create new metrics based on existing data. For example, if you want to track revenue per session, you can create a calculated field by dividing total revenue by the number of sessions. This gives you a custom metric that provides deeper insights into user behavior. Another powerful feature of Looker Studio is the ability to add multiple pages to a report. If you have different types of data to analyze, you can create separate pages for each section. This helps organize your report and makes it easier for viewers to navigate through the insights. Collaboration is also an essential part of Looker Studio. Multiple users can work on the same report in real time. If you're working with a team, you can assign different sections of the report to different team members. Changes are saved automatically, ensuring that everyone is working on the latest version. To further enhance your report, you can use community visualizations. These are custom charts and graphs developed by third-party providers. If you need a unique visualization that is not available in Looker Studio by default, you can explore community visualizations and integrate them into your report. Once your report is ready, you can share it with others. Click on the Share button at the top right and enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can also change the access level to Viewer or Editor depending on whether you want others to only view or edit the report. Additionally, you can export your report as a PDF or schedule automatic email deliveries. Looker Studio also offers integration with Google BigQuery. If you work with large datasets, you can connect Looker Studio to BigQuery to analyze and visualize massive amounts of data without affecting performance. This makes Looker Studio a great tool for businesses that rely on big data analytics. To summarize, Looker Studio is a powerful tool for creating interactive reports and dashboards. In this tutorial, we covered how to set up your account, add data sources, create charts, customize reports, and share insights with others. We also explored advanced features like calculated fields, multiple pages, collaboration, and integration with BigQuery. That's it for this tutorial.